To be successful in life, what you need is education, said by one of the great personality, Jawaharlal Nehru ji. With this quote, I, Bharat Sahu, welcome you in this channel that is TechLinguist. In this video, we will discuss syllabus of artificial intelligence for class 9. Artificial intelligence is being implemented in this session in our school. So, it is important to know about artificial intelligence and how it is different from general education subject. AI subject code is 471 and it is being introduced under NSQF, that is National Skill Qualification Framework, which comes under Government of India. So, without wasting much time, let us start. Actually, AI is vocational subject, that means Vyavasayik Vishay. Meaning of this vocational subject is training and skill required for a particular job or for a profession. Let me give you one most important information. If any students fail in any one of the three elective subjects, that is science, maths and social science, then it is replaced by the vocational subject offered as 6th additional subject, and result of class 9th and class 10th board examination is computed accordingly. However, if you desire to reappear in failed subject, you may appear along with compartment examination. For secondary level, that is for class 9th and 10th, many of the vocational subject is introduced by CBSE, and from that many of our CBSE schools opted artificial intelligence as additional subject. If you want to know why AI is important and why we should study about AI, that is artificial intelligence, please watch Why AI is Important in Current Era, that is Age of AI. Video's link is in the description and I button too. So let us start with our syllabus. Class 9th Artificial Intelligence syllabus is split up in 4 sections or parts. Part A contains employability skills, which carries 10 marks. Part B contains vocational skill, which carries 40 marks. Part C contains practical, that is basic of Python, which carries 35 marks. Part D contains project work, which carries 15 marks. Now let us discuss in detail. Part A, employability skill. Under it, 5 units are there. In first unit, that is communication skill, we will see various methods of communication, communication cycle, factors affecting communication. Unit 2, self-management, skill 1. In this, we will describe an importance of self-management and see factors that help in building self-confidence. Unit 3, basic ICT skill 1. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. In this unit, we will cover role of ICT in day-to-day life, various component of computer, various peripheral devices of computer, basic computation operation, and about internet. Unit 4, entrepreneurial skill 1. In this, we will see various type of business activities and many more. Unit 5, green skill 1. Factors influence natural resources, conservation, and green economic and green skill. This type of important topics will be covered under green skill 1, that is unit 5. Now let us come to part B, that is vocational skill. In unit 1, that is introduction of AI, we will see basic of artificial intelligence, who developed artificial intelligence, history of artificial intelligence, and 9 intelligence that is introduced by Howard Gardner, applications of AI, and many more. Unit 2, AI project cycle. In this AI project cycle, we will cover, so first stage of AI project cycle is problem scoping. Second stage is data acquisition. Third stage, data exploration. Fourth stage, modeling. And fifth stage, evaluation. In unit 3, neural network, we will see how neural networks are implemented in AI, same as neurons. Unit 4, that is introduction to Python, we will see Python from basic, that is from scratch, to advanced level. So let us go forward. In part C, that is practical work, what we have studied in part B, that is in unit 4, introduction to Python, from there only we will do practical work of Python. In part D, that is project work, students have to make a project on the basis of Python, what we have learned in Python programming, and students have to make a portfolio and give a viva also in it. So this is all from my side. Hope you understand the complete syllabus of artificial intelligence and why this optional subject artificial intelligence is important as other subject too. If any other query, feel free to drop your question in the comment section. So stay tuned.